Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make letters all caps on Google Docs. So if you are using Google Docs, as you can see, it does not have the option to go ahead and make it all letters capital like on Word. So to be able to fix this, I have here a new feature. So this is a tool by Google Docs, which is the refine tool. So all I have to do is right click and there should be a refine the selected text here, and make sure you just go ahead and go to custom and just ask the AI to make it all capital. So as you can see, all you have to do is go ahead and you can replace it, insert it, and you can also summarize, elaborate, bulletize, shorten, and here. So all you have to do is insert, and as you can see, it uh, made our text all capital. So you can also play along with this. So you can also use this circle tool here, and you can go ahead and summarize this, all of the text right here, and you can also make it in a poem. So you just have to wait for this to finish. It will be depending. So there. So as you can see, it is very much like ChatGPT, but it is built in our Google Docs. So you can also play along and go ahead and make it a poem, for example, or uh, direct this AI to whatever you want the text to be. So to be able to use this, we can go ahead and search for refine text Google Docs. And in here, you just have to follow all the steps here. So you can go ahead and search for Workspace Labs. And there, as you can see, it is listed here, the tool. And you can also sign in and get the free one to be able to use this. So as you can see, it is now working for me. So all you have to do is go over to workspace.google.com like we have earlier. You just have to sign in here. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can go ahead and use this feature. Thank you for watching and goodbye.